Students, in this video we are going to see Van de Graaff isotherm. This is an important derivation of thermodynamics. In this derivation, the relationship between free energy change delta G and equilibrium constant K is to be derived. Okay, for this comparison, we should start an equilibrium reaction. AA, BB, C plus DD. Here A, B, capital C and capital D are substances in the form of gases. A, small b, small c, small d are the number of moles of gases. Okay. For this equilibrium reaction, delta G equal to product G of product minus G of reactants. Free energy of product minus free energy of reactant is called free energy change. Okay. Therefore, delta G is equal to C number of moles of GC plus D of GD minus reactant AGA plus BGB. Okay. Now we have to find out the value of delta G. For that we should start from G. We know G is equal to H minus Ts, and also we know H is equal to E plus PV. Therefore G equal to, instead of H we should substitute E plus PV minus Ts. Okay. Now differentiate the above equation. dG equal to dE plus PV, UV formula, PdV plus VdP minus UV formula, TdS minus SdT. But we know dE is equal to Q minus W and Q is equal to TdS. Okay. Substitute the value of Q and W in this expression. dE is equal to TdS minus PdV. Substitute the value of dE in this above equation. dG is equal to TdS minus PdV plus PdV plus VdP minus TdT minus more values are common. Minus PdV plus dV get cancelled. TdS minus TdS gets cancelled. So finally dG is equal to VdP minus SdT. This is Van de Graaff isotherm. Isotherm means at constant temperature. Therefore in this above equation at constant temperature dt becomes 0. Therefore dG is equal to VdP. Okay, these the substances are taken in the gaseous form. Therefore, for an ideal gas, PV equal to RT. Therefore, V equal to RT by P. So instead of V, we are going to substitute RT by P. Okay. Now dG is equal to RT by P into dP. Instead of V, we have substituted RT by P. Okay. On integration, the above equation, integral dG is equal to integral dP by P. RT is constant. So integration dt. We know integral of 1 by x is equal to ln x. Integral of dG, integration and differential get cancelled. Therefore integral of dG is equal to g. Okay. RT 1 by p integration ln x plus a constant, integration constant c. Therefore 1 by p integration ln p. So RT constant ln p plus g naught. Here g naught is integration constant. Okay. Therefore G equal to RT ln P plus G naught. G A equal to G naught A plus RT ln PA. Therefore AGA equal to, therefore AGA is equal to A naught GA, sorry, A G naught A into small a into RT ln PA. We should multiply small a by on both expressions. Okay. Likewise BGB, B into G naught B plus B into RT ln PB, likewise the remaining. Okay, because we have to substitute the values of AGA, BGB and CGC, DGD in this expression. Delta G is equal to, initially we have brought this expression, now we have to substitute these values in this above expression. Okay, if we substitute these values in this above expression, we will be getting delta G is equal to these values, CGC, G naught T minus AGA plus BGB. Okay. Now we are going to rearrange and simplify the above equations. If we are rearranging, these terms are common. A C G naught C, D G naught D minus A G naught A plus B G naught B, like this ways. Okay. Because this expression is like that, this one delta G is equal to CGC DGD. What is the difference between these two? Here delta G, therefore this expression is termed as delta G naught. Okay, again D into RT ln PD, C into RT ln C. This looks like A log x is equal to log x to the power A. A log x equal to log x to the power A. Therefore, C RT ln P is equal to RT ln PC to the power small c. Likewise, the remaining terms you can write. Okay. Next step, substitute. This can be written as delta G naught. Again, RT ln PC to the power c. Likewise, you can write. In the next step, you can write this expression as RT ln PC to the power C into PD to the power D, because log A plus log B is equal to log AB. Okay, log A plus log B is equal to log AB. So these two are to be multiplied. Again minus RT ln these two are to be multiplied. Again you can simply write this one. Take RT as common. Ln PC to the power C, PD to the power D minus this term. Again log A minus log B. You know log A minus log B is equal to log A by B. Therefore ln PC to the power C, PD to the power D by BA to the power A, BP to the power B. Likewise we can simplify. Okay. Now we have derived delta G value. But at equilibrium, we have started from the equilibrium reaction. Therefore at equilibrium delta G is equal to 0. Therefore this term is considered as 0. Now we can calculate the amount of delta G naught. Delta G naught is equal to, we can bring this term to the right hand side. Delta G naught is equal to minus RT. Now consider this term is taken as Kp. Okay, here Kp is equal to this term. Ln PC to the power C, PD to the power D, PA to the power A, PP to the power P. Okay, logarithmic term. Now substitute the value of delta G naught in this above expression. Okay, above equation, this equation. So we will be getting delta G is equal to delta G naught plus, instead of delta G naught we can substitute RT ln Kp minus RT ln Kp plus RT ln PC to the power C, PD to the power D by PA to the power A and BP to the power. Otherwise you can multiply throughout by minus 1. Minus delta G is equal to minus into minus plus RT ln Kp plus into minus RT ln PC. This equation is called Van 't Hoff isotherm. Thank you.